Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung ating collective love reading. Collective to, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung pinaka-reading, mismong reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi ka naman nakaka-relate, hindi ka nakaka-resonate, huwag mong pilitin, okay? May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Please do comment down below, like this video. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yan. And if you want to book a reading, ito yung details para dyan. TikTok shop namin, Unipri, UNIPRI. At ito yung mga bagong products namin ngayon. Ayan. This is Lucky Charm. Also pang protection na rin. All Blessed at Cleanse. Kami mismo ang gumawa niyan. Kaya makakasigurado ka. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of collectives? Collectives, for the sign of collectives. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of collectives. Kapalaran sa pag-ibig. Kung may mga babanggitin ako zodiac sign, energies lang yon at hindi yung pinaka-zodiac sign mo or ng person mo. Ang importante yung pinaka-reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles, depende sa story mo, no? Kung palagay mo, yung sinasabi ko, person mo, at hindi ikaw, pwedeng maging ganon. You do over the Six of Swords and the Devil. I feel like for now, some of you, nagfo-focus ka sa home, sa sarili mo. You're moving on. And with the Devil, I feel like na-realize mo na yung hindi maganda or negative na ginawa sa'yo ng person na ito, maybe from the past or yung iba sa inyo, if you're still together, nandun yung parang ma-realize mo na kung ano siya talaga, kung ano yung mga pinagagawa niya sa'yo. Part of you is stuck dito sa connection na to, maybe because of a home, because of a father, because of responsibility. Pero nakikita natin na parang nandun na rin yung kagustuhan mong i-end ito at magsimula na lang ulit sa simula. I feel like you do admire the person that you're dealing with right now. Ina-admire mo siya, gusto mo siya physically. More on physically I can see Venus, Libra, Taurus energy. But alam mo yun, yung pwedeng you see that there's other options, and at the same time, mas nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, nakikita mo yung value ng sarili mo, and you realize na parang kahit i-end ko naman to, hindi pa naman katapusan ng mundo. And yeah, you could be dealing with a Gemini, or you are a Gemini, just a Gemini energy. Sino to person nakakonect mo? Three of Wands and Seven of Wands is here. I feel like itong person na to, tinatry din naman niya yung best niya. But, you know, this person, once the ending has already happened, kung nangyari na tong ending, kung nangyari na or yung iba kasi mangyayari pa lang. Pero nandun yung naka-move on ka na sa mga ginawa or sinabi nito person na to. So, parang ready ka na for this ending. The person na to is missing you, no? Namimiss ka niya. Wino-workout niya yung sarili niya, tinatry niyang ayusin or mas mag-focus sa mga skills, talents na meron siya. This person is missing you a lot. Namimiss ka niya yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo or kung paano ka magpakita ng emosyon sa taong ito. So, ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa for the sign of collectives, please? Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. Pasensya ka na kung gumagalaw ang camera sa tuwing kukuha ko ng cards. Six of Cups, the Fool, and the Five of Cups. So, nakikita nga natin na this person in the past ang naging dahilan para malungkot ka. The Fool is here. Although, nalulungkot ka, nakikita natin, willing ka naman mag-take ng risk I feel like, sa sarili mo. And especially if there are other people na makakatulong para mas makamove on ka palalo. And you do over the Ten of Swords, the World, and the Ten of Cups. I feel like mahal ka ng tao, minahal ka ng tao. Pero nandun yung ending talaga sa inyong dalawa. Kasi ito person ito gusto na rin niyang i-open ang sarili niya. You know, you do have here the Emperor and the Death card. Yeah, this is Scorpio energy. I feel like ito person na to, pwedeng na-realize niya na rin yung katotohanan or yung truth about the relationship, about the connection. Nakakaamoy nga pala ako ng burger or burger patty. I don't know, this could be your reading. Or maybe recently kumain ka ng burgers from fast food, kilalang fast food like McDonald's and Jollibee. Yeah, yung burger doon. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Although nakikita natin na nag-end or mag-end din sa inyo. Nakita na natin na naging kompleto naman lahat. Wala namang naging kulang dito sa connection na to. Both of you is may lesson na natutunan. And then, I feel like, nandun yung parang, itong person na to is, nagpaka-vulnerable siya sa'yo. Pinakita niya lahat ng, nakita mo lahat sa kanya, kahinaan niya, etc. Maybe it's just not working out anymore. So, anyway, what will happen in the near future? In the near future, there's this 5 of Swords, 5 of Wands, the Empress is here, Knight of Pentacles, the 2 of Wands, and the Page of Cups. I can see pag-aaway, pagkakagulo, pero nandun yung parang may aalis, pero nandun yung parang tanggap ko or mas okay pa nga lang na umalis. You know, and then nakikita natin dito, you will be focusing on yourself with the Empress, development mo sa sarili mo, whatever, nakikita natin that you will be more at peace with yourself. Kasi, kahit nandyan tong person na to, oo nga nandyan siya, pero ang gulo-gulo naman, hindi mo ma-appreciate yung mga bagay na ginagawa niya. Hindi niya rin ma-appreciate yung maybe efforts mo or yung mga bagay na sinasabi mo. So, it's not working. No? And the Page of Pentacles, the Page of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles, nakikita natin na may mga offers. There's this offer na papalapit sa'yo, but it's mabagal na offer. And the 2 of Wands, kasi pwedeng pinagpaplanuhan pa kung paano ibibigay yung offer, ano sasabihin, etc. And the Queen of Cups, I feel like there's a lot of love coming from this. I'm seeing a new person, new connection. So parang, kung ano man yung marirelease or mawawala sa'yo dito, may dadating naman din agad para sa'yo. No? Dahil maaaring natutunan mo na yung lesson na dapat mong matutunan sa taong ito. So that is it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.